Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how I make my coconut rice. It's a very simple recipe. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to see more. So the first thing I'm using is my coconut oil, and I am just adding a little bit of that into my heated pot, and I'm just going to let it melt. And then I will be frying my washed rice. I like to add some curry as well, just to kind of add a bit of color at the start. I'm just mixing this for a bit, and then I'll be leaving it for a few minutes just to fry, and this helps to prevent it from getting spoiled very quickly. I also added some thyme and some Maggi cubes. No, it's not a lot of Maggi. You need that much, yes, for good fried rice. The next thing I'll be adding is my coconut milk, and I'm just adding about half of that can. I did add a little bit more, so technically it was 3/4, and then I added some water just to cover the entire surface of the rice. The amount of water you add depends on the type of rice you're using. Basmati rice is very good with water. Well, this specific brand that I'm using is very good with water, so I add a lot. You don't need this much coconut oil because then I ended up adding too much oil. I added some rosemary and then my onions, and something I like to do now is to season my onions when it's frying, because it just adds a lot of flavor to whatever it is you're trying to make. And it's just really nice. Like, it starts, it gives a very, very nice flavor to everything, really. After frying this for about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm adding some of my sweet corn, and then I started adding the peppers little by little. I'm using red, green and yellow bell peppers. You can add pretty much any veg that you want to. You can add some prawns as well, but I don't eat prawns, so I'm not adding prawns to it. After frying my veggies for about 5 minutes as well, not too long because I don't want them to be soggy, I just added my rice, which is already cooked, and I'm just mixing this thoroughly. I'm just showing you what it looks like. It looks great already, but I am going to cover this and just let this sort of like steam on very, very low heat. And then I added some plantain, some fried plantain and fried beef. This is optional as well. I just wanted to add a little bit of to the fried rice. You get, yes. And this is what my fried rice is looking at. Like I told you, it was a very, very simple recipe. I do hope you try this out and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. Bye.